Hello and welcome to today's video. So today is the last day of 2024, so I thought that I would put together a New Year's resolutions / goals for 2025. So my first goal is to graduate. So I am restarting my final year of uni in about a month's time, and I'm starting back in semester 2, so I've had to do quite a bit of reading and stuff for my dissertation to try and get myself in the place where I can slot back into it hopefully quite well. So I've been doing quite a bit of reading around my subject area and stuff like that. So I start my most intense semester of university from hospital. So that brings me on to my second goal of the year, which is to be discharged. So taking on my section and discharged home, or get the right care at home, is what I'm hoping for. I'd also like to travel, so I've been in hospital for the past 2 years, so I think it'd be really nice to kind of be with my family and get to go travelling and go somewhere. So yeah, first graduate. Well, actually I don't mind what order it happens in. But yeah, hopefully graduate in June, get discharged from hospital and travel. I don't really mind where we go. I think I'll appreciate it all a lot more as well. So most people would want to, or would say oh, you're going into a very busy year at uni, maybe we need to go out less. Well, really, I actually want to do more, so I'd like to go out more. I don't feel any pressure of feeling like I need to know what I want to do in my life. I think I've kind of realised that everyone's paths are kind of a bit wibbly wobbly, so I don't have to know what I want to do at this moment in time. I don't want to do a master's. I think finishing undergrad would be a big enough journey to start with, and I don't really know what I want to do after, and I think that's fine. There's a lot of pressure these days to be oh, what do you want to do, what's your dream job and stuff, and I don't have that, but I don't feel like I need that. I think I've kind of learned that it's alright not to know. So yeah, I'd actually like to go out more, and I'd like to pick up a hobby. So I'd like to probably start doing a hobby again, or start a new hobby. I'm not sure, because I did really enjoy going back to gymnastics, so I might look about doing something like that. But yeah, I feel like I need to step out of my comfort zone and start a new hobby to add some more stuff in my life. I'd like to go back to work. So I worked at a kids' place. I'd really like to go back. I'd like to, obviously I'd only do it really during the school holidays and stuff, because but also need to balance uni. But then when I finish uni, I'd just like to work there for a bit. I don't need to go into full-time work. Well, first I need to get used to being out of hospital and outside, but I'd really like to go back to my jobs I did like, and hopefully some of the people that were there when I was last there are still there, because I really liked the people that I worked with, so hopefully they've not all left. So I might want to look at going back in my acting and stuff like that, and I really like to do my extras work, so hopefully they'll have me back, because obviously my DBS ran out and then there's no point in applying for it when I can't actually do any jobs, but I really enjoyed that. So, oh yeah, I'll also get my car back, so I want to drive. I can already drive, but my car's not insured, so when I properly leave and it's I'll get to drive, and obviously that links in with my extras work, because I have to drive and go wherever, but I would like to do that. And I think it's just, for me, I feel trying to get my life back is about finding things that I enjoy and doing them regardless of what other people think. But I think this year, 2025, I think I would like to try a lot more of my acting, go to a few more in-person workshops, and maybe hang around Manchester more. I wouldn't live in Manchester because I'd go back home until I figured out what I wanted to do. But I think I would like to go up there and do the classes and stuff. Hopefully it'll be the year for getting my independence back and achieving the things that I've been trying to achieve for a long time now. Well, basically my degree has taken me 5 years instead of 3, but I would like to achieve that, get that done. At this point I just want it over with. It's a lot of work, and I think I'm signed up as fit to study. I hope I am. I was a bit confused when I had my occupational health meeting last month. But yeah, I kind of just want to get it over with now. Like, so I'm putting my effort and energy into that. I'd like to be able to use my DBT skills, so try and focus on that, because I'm finding it quite hard because I'm doing my second cycle, so it's just repeating stuff. I'm finding it a bit boring because I feel like I'm like, oh well, I know this because it's written here, and because I'm quite organised. Yeah. So hopefully I'll try and use my DBT skills, because I think they could probably help. So I know that I work well with goals, and that's something that's been highlighted here and in my life, that I can become very focused and hyperfixated on certain areas. And when I do really well in them, but it's about trying to get that balance between too much and not enough. So, but yeah, no, I feel like I've met a lot of people in hospital, or staff that work in hospital that do different things. I'm like, oh, actually, that's quite interesting. So I think they've sort of inspired me to keep doing the things that I want to do. So yeah, hopefully this year, well, 2025, is going to be the year of things getting back to normal and me trying new experiences. Like, I think I'd like to try things and try different things, because that's what I've liked on the ward. If we've gone on a trip, it'll be something that I've not done. Like, I went to a pantomime. It was full of primary school children, but I went to a pantomime and I've not been since I was 7. I'm 23, and I'm not in any rush to go back to a pantomime. It was quite an experience, but I would like to try new things, and it might be really expensive because I don't seem to pick cheap hobbies, but I just want to try new things and just do something different. I'd like to see where my YouTube channel goes. It's on a bit of a slow burner at the moment, but I think a few of my videos are quite evergreen, so really, but they're also a bit seasonal, so it kind of depends on where you are in your journey, and I think I need to figure out what that means for me in terms of what videos to create. I'm doing it a lot more now for the enjoyment of filming, editing and uploading than I am like the view count or like the like count or the feedback from it, like, because I just enjoy the actual process of it. So because like I've picked back up with my YouTube schedule and stuff, I actually like my watch hours are basically the exact same as when I hadn't posted for 2 years. So I don't know if I'm not hitting the right demographic, or if like my channel needs to like be more consistent for a long time before YouTube picks it up again. Because it's basically analytics wise, it's basically exactly the same as when I wasn't posting at all. So yeah, and also actually I might want to start look at doing like social media as a bit of like actually like a job and stuff, because I've seen someone on Instagram who offers a course, and I might do that because I'd like to be in a financially stable position, or actually no, a financially good position where I could just buy things for people and do it because I want to do it and feel I want enough money to be able to do that, and to also be like, yeah, I want to do that, and just be able to be spontaneous and do those things. So I might look into how I can start social media as like on the content creator like side. So that is my vision board for 2024, and I've didn't go on holiday, went to the bits I've ticked. So on the left, I've been to the theme park, haven't driven my car, that's my little car, beep beep in the corner there. DBT, yeah, I've seen Inside Out 2, I've not been on holiday, I went to a concert, saw my family. Disney sort of fell apart, and that was a massive issue and breaking point for me, and that really like crumbled everything that I thought of. But yeah, I spent time with my cats. The little huts are linked to my work, I've not been back yet. But yeah, I'd like to maybe go to America and money. So for my 2024 vision board, I actually haven't actually done that much of. But it's a start, and I feel like there's quite a lot of things I've mentioned in today's video that I do think, oh yeah, I actually do want to do that. So hopefully my life will be, this time next year, my life will be very different, and hopefully in a positive way. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and happy 2025. Hope it's nice for you. Yeah, so if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.